Hello everyone, this is Yovin, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Lego Demogorgon from Stranger Things. Alright, so these are the pieces you will be needing. You're going to need all of these for this tutorial. Alright, so first you're going to want to build your head. So you need to get these two and make sure it's like that. And then you put some of these black, whatever they are, like mini Among Us characters. You can put those on all the sides except the back. And then this is what your head should look like so far. Alright, now you're gonna want to build about 30 more of these for the petals of the Demogorgon. Alright, and then you're going to just want to attach those all right here. And there's your head. Alright, now you're going to want to put this piece on the back, like so. Alright, now we're going to do the body. Alright, so you're going to want to grab one of your gray body robo pieces and put some of these gray attachers on the sides. And then put some of these ones on it. And then use two poles to stick on them. Then get two of these and put those on for your hands. And now you're gonna want to get one of these and just put that right there. And get another robo torso and put like that. Now you want to get two of these for the legs. And then you're going to want to stick these like that. And then put two poles on it and then put these on. There's your body. And then there's your head. Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe and leave a like. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And now you have a new Demogorgon Lego.